MudRFunR here. I'm back. So today I'll be doing an oil change on my 2016 Mercedes Sprinter. It's got a 2.1 liter diesel. Today I'm inside my 2016 Mercedes Sprinter, and today I'll be resetting the dash where it says maintenance schedule. It would be the oil life indicator, and I'll be resetting that today. If you want to watch my video on how to change the oil, I'll include a link right there for you for the oil change video. Okay, I'm in the sunshine here a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't glare too much. So you need to put your key in, turn the key to the on position, and I've got my seatbelt done up behind me to avoid the annoying seatbelt buzzer. And if your service is due, this should come up. If your message isn't up and you're at the mileage, you use this button, right? Use the up button and push that until you get to this point where it says service. Obviously overdue on this one because I haven't been able to figure out how to reset it. Push the O button and hold it there until you hear it beep, which takes a little while. Now you use this button right here and push it till you get to this screen right here, and then use this button, the up button right there, and scroll it till you get back to the service again. And then you push this button, the O button, and then it'll be complete service. And then you use the up button, and it comes to that. Okay, so what you want to do now is push the up button until it gets to right there, and push the O button again and hold it, and service is confirmed. If you push up again, it will come up and say that it's due in 30,000 kilometers. So now when I turn the key on again, the service message no longer comes up. So it's all reset. So thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video. And if you want to see the oil change video, it'll be linked right there for you. There, or probably there. I don't know why Mercedes chose to make this so complicated instead of just having a few buttons that you need to push to reset. But got it done. Hopefully you can get yours done. See you soon.
We brought it in.
16 feet from where she's standing to the back.